Hello, this is John of Arc, and guess where am I now? I am under the stairs and queuing up this long for the payment of SSS contributions for my friends and also for myself. And this is what we do right here, right now, a day after Christmas. Oh my gosh. And this is for the BAYAD Center here so that I can pay. And this is supposed to be an express line, but look at this. I don't know if I can do this really, but my tutorial for today is how to pay your SSS voluntary contributions. I think we will do it elsewhere. Payment in Ilonggo is bayad. So we're right here, bayad kami. We are going to pay. So you have heard or overheard the word ayawan. What is ayawan in English? Well, ayawan is to be overwhelmed. Just look at this. How overwhelming is the line for us to wait this long just to pay for our SSS contribution. This is ayawan git to be. So I don't know if I can do this, and I'm already having second thoughts. I think I'm not going to do this anymore.
Miss, ikaw ang last. Dali lang po next ko sa inyo.
A lot of errands to do. I'm giving up and I'm saying goodbye. Just for this vlog, right? And the last person standing is right over there, so bye.
176.
Look at the suffering we have to do just to pay for our SSS contribution. This is the BAYAD Center or the Payment Center. I'm giving up. So the first thing you have to do to pay your SSS contribution is to secure a payment slip and get a PRN number. That's the PRN right over there, and you have to get it from the counters at the BAYAD Center. So when you have that, you have to fill it. You have to fill up the necessary data to fill this up and get your payment number. And this is the schedule of voluntary contributions depending on your income. So choose the amount that you can afford to pay, and then of course the bigger the better, so that you can avail of higher benefits later on in your retirable years. So I was told by the BAYAD Center clerk, as long as I already have my PRN number and numbers, I can already go to another BAYAD Center. Hopefully it's less stressful than this, so I can go there and make another line some other time, as long as I got my PRN number already. And how to get your PRN number? Call in line also. It's not a very long line, and from here you get your PRN number from the clerk, and then when you get that, it's very important so that you can get your number already to pay. This is where I got my PRN number. This is Joan of Art. See you in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe.